Shaka. Okay na. Thank you. Nagwapas ha, nangabuhi maning kalag na ako mga instructor. Here. It's 1 kilo.
1 kilo?
Oo.
Wait.
Pickled it tuna.
So 9 all?
One is, how old are you?
19.
How? 19?
Yeah, 19.
Oh my God! You look like an angel.
Oh, thank you.
Yes. 19 years old with a beautiful face and surfer.
See you later. Yeah, you too.